What's up, YouTube? So it's July 4th and we're out here on the beach celebrating, chilling, and the water is ice cold. Is that how you eat food now? Yo, it is blazing hot today on this 4th of July. Everybody's chilling.
Yeah, word up.
You covered up there enough? Why are you hiding?
Hiding from the sun.
My God, it's so hot. So this is the knockout cam. We're gonna catch people sleeping. Knockout number 1. Out cold. Number 2, number 3. All knocked out. Oh, never mind. Hey. Never mind. Oh no.
Yo, what up, what up?
So we're about to leave the beach and we got some chicken left. If y'all want some chicken. Oh God, I almost dropped the phone.
Can I mention something?
What you want?
That BMW that you took a video of, that was his.
Well, you're welcome. Say this.
This.
Say it again.
This.
One more time.
This.
Well, that's a wrap for the beach, people. I didn't even clean anything, so whatever. I'm chilling.
Wonder why your son don't need a gun to get respect up on the street.
Hold on, whose one is that then?
From the beginning. So then you don't have to edit it.
What the heck, man? Give it the program. This guy.
How did it take? Gabriel, you didn't zip it?
Jesus
No, we
Christ.
did not zip for it.
Are you good now?
Yes, sir.
Alright, let's go.
Your mother.
Your father. That was random as hell. Saw a Ferrari earlier, but the freaking car went past me too fast and we couldn't record it, but got that one for you. Aston Martin DB11. It's the first time I've ever seen that car. It's crazy. Probably gonna do another car video soon. Sneak peek, sneak peek. Oh, it's my uncle's car. Might have to do another vlog with that one. We'll see. They're leaving me. They're leaving me, man. They're leaving me. They're going home and I'm gonna be stuck here at Robert Moses. And there they go. See you later. Bye-bye.
Happy 4th, brother.
Happy 4th of July. What is going on? What the hell? Oh my god, what is that? Jesus. You enjoying that?
Huh?
You enjoying that?
You're gonna be on YouTube. You're gonna be on YouTube.
Is this vlog?
Yep. Alright. What you want?
Rude.
You're rude.
Ah.
This is what happens when you have 2 little 8-year-olds as cousins.
Let's go get more.
No, no more. Aw, isn't that cute? Watch this. What are you doing?
Stop.
CJ.
Taking a video. You're being stupid.
Wow, you guys didn't even get scared. So,
Oh.
what happened?
Look, it's a seagull eating a dead bird.
What the heck? What the? He's really running away like I'm about to steal a dead bird. What the heck? Go, 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 go. See you later. That thing really just ate a dead bird. Oh, it's coming back. It's a crab. Never mind.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, crap.
No, he's got it.
He's eating it.
The crab is like, what the fuck?
He's trying to kill it. That's what it is.
Okay.
That's crazy. So we just finished eating and now it's time for some fireworks. Bro, the amount of fireworks they did already. Jesus Christ. Shit, they're bringing out the big guns right now. What is that? That was crazy. Still going on in the background, but I don't know about you guys. I have never heard that many fireworks in my entire life at once. That was crazy. I'm almost positive I'm deaf now because that was crazy, bro. But hey, 4th of July. I don't know how much money they spent on fireworks, but they must have spent at least a rack. Guaranteed. At least $1,000 on fireworks because They have so many and they're still going. Yo, I'm so freaking tan. Holy crap. But yeah, happy 4th of July, guys. I hope you had a great 4th. I know I did. And yeah, if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe. Oh wait, actually, you know what? I'm gonna wait for you to subscribe. Do it now. I'm waiting.
Subscribe to Seagull's Live on YouTube!
You done yet? All right.